Hey, what's up, Vechain holder? So here is something special for Vechain holder, and definitely, my friend, if you don't know about Vechain latest update, so you will completely go to loss now. Definitely, my friend, because the last of this month, my brother, all cryptocurrencies is completely dumps down. All crypto market is not comfortable because in last 24 hours, all cryptocurrencies is lost now. You can see, my brother, this time VGN is also lost now. In last 7 days, you can see, my brother, 33.46% they will profit, but in last 24 hours minus 3.02% they lost now, and last 1 hour also. So that means to VGN is go completely dumps down, and therefore, my brother, the decision is very hard to what we need to do, my brother. Can absolutely you invest for a short time? So this video is completely for you, my brother, and remember to VGN is not good coin, my brother, for short time investor. Definitely, my brother, this is very comfortable and very stable coin, my brother. And remember, my brothers, too, VGN is completely very fastly moving in upward direction, but definitely, my friend, when they will fail down very slowly. This time, my brother, all cryptocurrencies will lost 8%, 10%, 15%, but VCNF, you can see, my brother, just in only minus 3.02% loss now in 24 hours. So this is very cheap price, very my friend, small loss now. So holder, remember to VChain is very good for a long time investing. So kindly, if you have any plan to invest for a long time, I think VChain is one of the good option. VChain, my friend, in last 7 days get a very good profit, but my brother in 24 hours fails down. As you can see, my brother, this pipe. So this is lost, but again they will pumps up. So I am so very shocked, my brothers, to see this, but definitely upcoming time there is a lot of huge jumps as my friends coming soon. So you need to hold and wait for a good time. I hope, my brother, I hope, my brothers, if you take any decision, this is just only, my friend, I just share my opinion, my advice. This is just advice video, my brother. Please research personally before you take any decision. But I hope, my brother, you will be decided, my brother. So this is good time to invest now, because I know the price is very cheap, and definitely I know to upcoming time I expect, my friend, very good, my friend, from VChain to they will moving upward, the price will be increasing. So therefore I like it, and I hope, my brother, the price will go in the moon. They will give you a very good price and good profit. So you need to invest and hold it. Thanks for watching VChain holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care.